Hello, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to customize back to the top button in your Divi website. You can find the CSS code of back to the top button in the description below. You are requested to join my Google Classroom where you can find this code. Okay, first go to the Divi theme option and enable the back to the top button by clicking it and then paste the following code in custom CSS box. You can see on our website after you enable the back to the top button, it shows this kind of a button. So we will make it a little bit cute. You can say that. Okay, just copy and paste the code. You can also find this code on Josh Hall website. Now visit your website and scroll down to the bottom. You can see this kind of a back to the top button. Now we will change the color and the icon. First, visit the uh, first search the color code. You can find many websites, and now just copy any color you want to change. Okay, I will pick up a random color. Now copy the hex code of this color and paste it to the background. In this section, visit the Divi icon. You can find many of the icon here, and then copy the uh, icon number and paste into the code. Okay, I will change it to 21 and then copy the code and then again replace it with the previous one. Save changes and visit the website. Refresh the page, scroll down to the bottom. Here we go. Now if we click on this on hover, its color changes to this one.